Welcome to my channel. How to reset change Orbi router password complete tutorial. 1. Turn on your Netgear Orbi router. Make sure the router is properly plugged in and powered on. Wait 1 to 2 minutes until all lights become stable. 2. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Use your phone, laptop, or PC to connect to your Orbi Wi-Fi network. 3. Open a web browser, launch Chrome or any browser and type orbilogin.com or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. 4. Log into the admin panel, username, admin, password, default, if not changed. If login fails, you may need to reset the router, see step 9. 5. Go to wireless settings. After logging in, find and click on wireless or Wi-Fi settings in the dashboard. 6. Change Wi-Fi name and password. Enter a new SSID, Wi-Fi name, and create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. 7. Save the settings. Click on Apply or Save. The router will restart and apply the new settings. 8. Reconnect your devices. Connect all your devices again using the new Wi-Fi password. 9. Forgot password? Reset the router. Press and hold the reset button at the back for 10 to 15 seconds using a pin until lights start blinking. 10. Set up again after reset. After reset, the router will return to factory settings. Log in again and create a new Wi-Fi name and password. Thanks for watching.